What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Like, subscribe to my channel. Showing you parts of DC. Now we about to go to the one of the most oldest carryouts for chicken wings and French fries. We're gonna try the chicken wings and French fries. I got salt, pepper, ketchup, mumbo sauce on the French fries. Mumbo sauce on the French fries. Right now we at Pennsylvania Avenue. They say this is one of the oldest carryouts. So we're gonna try the chicken wings and French fries. Live trash. Live traffic out here. Right now it's called Mario's. Peace.
But guess what? But nah, bro, I ain't never gonna. Nah, listen though, bro. I swear to God, bro. Sometimes we supposed to be blue. They don't supposed to be blue. They're supposed to be orange. Blue, they ain't yellow. One, I sit right there and watch them cook. Like that. Man, I'm sitting there telling them now about to get the bread. Like, yeah.
It's crowded in there. I don't think my food ready yet. I'm gonna wait like 2 more minutes. But I ordered the 3 wings and French fries. I tried 3 wings and French fries because I don't know how this carryout tastes. They say one of the oldest carryouts. So, we'll see how it tastes. It's Mario's. Southeast DC. Real busy. See if my food ready.
Hold on real quick.
Hey, how long y'all been open?
Huh?
How long y'all been open?
Mario?
Yeah.
Long time. 88, 90 years, maybe.
They said they been open for 90 years. 80, 90 years. Sit my phone down real quick. See how they food taste.
sound right?
Alright, I want to see how this food look. Show y'all how this food look. $90-year-old carryout, that's how it look. Famous DC Oldest Carryout. 90-year-old. I'm just gonna take my fry. Try fry out. Fries good. I am gone. Subscribe to my channel. Oldest Carryout in Washington, D.C. Mario, Sophie. In the trenches is right here. Pennsylvania Avenue. Since 1936.